Hello friends, welcome again to NeedleMeister channel. In our discussion for today, we're going to use the knowledge we discussed in one of our previous classes to create the pocket you're seeing on the screen right now. If you have not joined the channel for the first time, or you have not watched the video ever since you've been following the channel, consider clicking the link at the top of the screen right now to learn how we create these two patterns that we're going to use to create this inserted pocket. I want this pocket to be 7 inches away from the neckline and 2 inches away from the center of the garment. Then we are going to trace the pattern. Next, we are going to mark the midpoint of the pattern. We are going to recreate this pattern with a margin of ½ inch inside of the existing one. Next, we are going to draw lines at the corners. All of these we've talked about in insertion class. Let's cut out the small pattern. Next, we are going to notch the mark corners. Ensure that your notch doesn't exceed the outlined parameters. And also remember to notch the center. Now we've successfully created a space for our pocket to be inserted. With the bigger pattern, we are going to cut the interfacing for the pocket. Again, we are going to place a bigger pattern at ½ inch below the edge of our fabric, then cut. Please note that this is a fabric and not interfacing. Let's put gum in between, then press it with iron. We are going to put gum here, then iron it. Here you can see why the midpoint notch is very important. Do not notch extremely close to the stitch. Spare some yarns and weft. Let's press it with iron. Here you see again the importance of the midpoint notch. Let's use this to bring out the corner. Alright, now we are done with the inserted pocket, and as you can see here, the size of pocket, its length and breadth is the same as the length and breadth of the pattern that I used to create this space for it on our garment. You can see 4 inches, 4 inches, and the same goes to its length.